Welcome back to my channel. Here we continue with this work as we have been able to draw the front elevation as we have here, so of a truncated cone, and then we have drawn the complete plan as you can see it here. So now I want to work on the end elevation. So let's start with that. So what we are going to do first is that we are going to draw a horizontal line from this point. So on the front elevation to this side, and then, so we are going to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal or to this vertical line from this point on the front elevation. So press the tab key on the keyboard, press the tab key on the keyboard, okay? So give it angle 45 degrees, press enter key. So this line is at angle 45 degrees to this horizontal line and to this vertical line. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to repeat the line. So from this point, I'm going to draw. So let's put on the auto mode. I will draw a vertical line so that we touch this line here, okay? Then we repeat it. So we draw horizontal line. So this point here is meant for 4 and 2. So I'm going to draw horizontal line from here, okay? So and then, so for this point 1 is for 1 and 6, 1 and 5. So we draw horizontal line like that, and then so we draw horizontal line from this point. Though this is supposed to be a center line, so so let me make it a center line at once. Okay, so okay. All right, so I already have a center line here. I'll just mash. Okay, so I'm going to click mash property here, select the source, and then I will select this one. Okay, select this one. I think it's already the center line. That's why it didn't work. Okay, so we have it. Okay, so then from this point also, this point is for 7 and 11. So here I will draw horizontal line, and then I will repeat this. So this point is for 8 and 10, for 8 and 10. So we draw horizontal line. And last one is this point, which is for 9. So we draw horizontal line. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do here is that I'm going to break off these lines that are, okay, so the excess lines, I'll break them off. So break this off, and then I'll break this off. All right, so then next thing I'm going to do is that from this point here, I will draw a vertical line, which is going to be a center line. So to this point. All right, so I will extend this horizontal line for us to get the apex of the cone at that point. Okay. Then next thing I'm going to do is that from this point, I will draw a vertical line. Then from this point here, I will draw a vertical line. Also from this point, I will draw a vertical line. And then from this point here, I will draw a vertical line. Then from this point, I will draw a vertical line. Then lastly, from this point, I will draw a vertical line. All right, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to make this line a center line. So I'll just click on Mask Property, select the source, then I will select this. So that is the center line. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is that, so I will come to line, and then I'm going to draw a line from here to meet this point. Okay. Then from this point, I will draw, so to touch this point, and again, so from here, so I will draw to touch this point. Then I will also join from here to meet this point. So I will repeat it. And then from this point to this point, then from this point here to this point. So we have this now. So then the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line, okay, from this point here to pass through this. So let's look at that. So from this point, this is point 6. So I'll draw a horizontal line from here. So like this. So I just draw. Okay. Then I'll repeat it. So from this point, this is for 5 and 7. So draw horizontal line. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. So this is for 4, 8. So draw horizontal line. Okay, then um so this point is for 3 and 9. Okay, so this point is for 2, 10. And then so this point here, so let's make it more visible. This point here is for 1, 11. 1, 11. And then so lastly, so this point is for 0. So so I draw a horizontal line from here. So going like this. All right, so we have, so I'm going to number the base. I'm going to number the base so that I can easily locate the point. So let's quickly do that. So I'll be copying this. So I'll copy this. So put off the um the auto mode. So I'll copy this one. So right click and copy selection. So this is the one. Okay, sorry. Uh, all right, so I just pick from here. So I drop one here. So drop one there. Drop one here. One here. So one here. So one here and here. All right, so I'm going to edit each of them. So starting from here, so this point is 0. So I just leave it as 0. So while this point is for 1, 11. Okay, so then, so this point here is for 2, 10. So while this one I will have here is for 3, 9. Okay, so this point I will have here is for 4, 8. Then this point is for 5, 7. While this point is 0.6. Oh, there's an error here. Sorry, 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 sorry. I didn't follow. So this point is 0.9. So I'm going to edit. I will pause and read the edit. So I've renumbered this, okay? So as we have here, this is 3. So here is 4, 2, 2, 4. Here is 1, 5. Here is 0, 6. Here is 7, 11. And this is 8, 10. Then we have 9. So that's how we are supposed to have it. So now, so let's locate the point. Let's locate the point. So as we have here, so I'm just going to click on the spline fits, and then this is point 6. Okay, or let me go and start from 0. So this point is 0. So as we have here, so this is point 0. Okay, this is 0. So this is point 1. Okay, and this is point 2. Here is point 3. So this is 3. This is point 4. This is point 5. Here is point 6. This is point 7. This is point 8. This is point 9. Okay, this is point 10. This is 11. And then back to 0. So don't just drop it. So press C key on the keyboard and press enter. All right, so that's the shape that we have there. So we need to trim some parts. So I'm going to trim this off. Okay, including this one. Then I'm going to trim this. Okay. All right, so then I'm going to, sorry, so I'm going to break them, break the menu. All right, so I'll turn this off. So I'll turn this, and here I'll turn this off. So putting this. All right, so that's what I need. Then, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to make this off to the to shape clearly. Then we are going to arch this surface. So I will click on arch, select this, then I will click on this surface. That's it. So we have it there. And then I still need to do some things there. I want to make so I'll break this. So this line I'll break it. And then so I'll also break this line there. All right, so um okay, so that's where you are supposed to have it. So then so this line, so I'm going to make them thick lines. So I'll break off this line. All right. So now, so I just mash this. So click on the source. So this line is a thick line. So this line is a thick line. And this line is a thick line. So that's it. Okay, so I have this now. So this is the end elevation, looking at the object in this direction, as simple as I've done it here. So before I go, I'm going to draw a line from here just to join this point together. So that's it. So this is how the end elevation will look. So we have done the front elevation, the plan, and the end elevation, looking at the object in this direction. Thank you for comparison, and God bless you.